Well, hello everybody. Here I am once again in the Philippines, out in the country. About to go get some ice cream with my nephew. It's evening time. It's starting to get dark. But we're here. I'm trying to adjust my camera. Walking by the rice fields, and let me show you what I'm talking about. So there's the rice fields. Here's my crew. Come on, let's go get some ice cream. Here's my crew coming with me. So we're all going to get some ice cream. So that's the rice fields.
Look at my feet.
Where are your sandals at, huh? So he ain't got no, just barefoot.
There's a face mask over there.
Face mask everywhere. So we're going to get some ice cream. And here is, well, out in the country now, folks. All the rice fields. There's a party going on, celebrating elderly relative's birthday. So they prepared a lot of food for him. Oh, we had a little accident back there with the boys on the bike. But we're going to what's called a Sari store to buy some ice cream. Right here you can see how people live out here. He was using some bad words in Filipino. But look at that giant ant hill or termite hill. That is huge. But the family owns a lot of these rice fields. They go on forever.
That's a nuno.
See.
You see that? That's a nuno.
Mm-hmm.
There's a nuno living inside it.
So you can see it's pretty quiet out here, unlike where we live. And all my little escorts. Good evening. Looks like a husky. Pretty dogs. Are those huskies? Is that like a husky?
Yeah. It's a husky with different eyes.
Very pretty. Oh my god.
Oh, there's another.
The mother.
Oh, that's the mother. Uh-huh. You breed them and sell them? Very nice. Thank you. What's that?
Yes, different colored eyes.
Yes. So with our ice cream crew, there's Lala and it's with us and with Ayla.
Can you buy us?
Yes, I will buy you some ice cream.
Look at that. There's a big mountain.
Yeah.
Good afternoon.
Knucklehead here is like, will you buy us ice cream? I should have said no.
Yeah.
I gave him money because he, well,
I still
actually,
have 35.
Rain won the bet. I was just asking him simple questions, riddles and stuff to make them think, see how they figure it out. Boy, what's that, an ant hill or termite?
Termite.
Okay, that's a giant termite hill.
No questioning every moment of these things.
But
If you stab
lots of bugs.
Uncle Colin,
Yes.
if you stab a cereal, is that, will you be a serial killer?
Serious. What kind of question is that?
Di mo gets.
But as you see, a lot of the kids speak English.
Yung ano, iniinom na.
Come on, ladies. We don't want y'all to get left behind. Boink, boink. Boink, boink. Now they all left me. Good evening. They all left me all by myself. Let me show you. Comes the bike again. Evening. Hello, fellas. So, how much farther? I'm tired. Hello. Oh, it's right there. Okay, we're here. Dessert time, and nobody has eaten their dinner.
I have.
You have? Lalan, have you eaten? No. So here? So now we have arrived at the Sari store. Ice cream? Okay, we'll see what we get. Yeah, go ahead.
Pineapple sa kayong isa.
We're here.
Sa katabi ng watermelon meron.
Oh, you want ice cream? No, Lalan? Yeah? Okay. Here. I'm gonna let you video. So I'm gonna pay for that. Okay. So.
Ganda ng camera. Napaghawak pa ako. Tangina, huwag malikotin.
That's okay. It's not gonna cost too much. Let me see what you get out here. Lalan?
Tawag ka, punta ka doon. Punta ka doon. Ay, napumaling na. Takating yan. Ha? Lolo namin. Garo-garo.
Boom! Bagsak! Boom! Tae! Mong hatiyo!
Ilan po ba?
One.
Low.
I'll pay for you. And give me what's that? I'll get what you have. I want that.
Ikaw, ano ka? Ayoko kahit ayoko. Busog ako. Tangay.
Lalan, what can I?
Alin?
Oh, come on. Y'all have it.
Kamon daw.
All the kids. I'm buying all the ice cream.
Nga?
Ito ng ano.
Ano? Siyempre maglalapit mo ko eh.
Everybody gets it.
May dadaan!
I only have 1,000, so.
Ito na tayo. Saan mo? Uy, go. Tega tayo.
Thank you. Drop it.
Yo! Pabis ka na, kaya nag-ice cream.
Bagay mga bata kayo.
Huwag ko. Punta ko dun.
Bakit ayoko? Eh, yaman na.
Dito.
Ayun, ice cream na. Ayun yung mga bata kayo, bibigyan na kayo ice cream, oh. Mga bata, dalawa na.
Nagusok ako dun.
Ayaw pa ako. Iyain.
Oo na. Alis na ako. Kunin mo na kayo to. Kuya Ram, ikaw naman. Colin.
Yes.
Ew! Waki, ew! Ay, yun eh.
Ay, ito 12.
All right, so all the kids are happy. I should get myself a red horse. Microphone. You can't touch everything. This guy wants to touch everything. What are you buying? Another ice cream. Okay. You got enough?
Wawa si Ashley, wala.
Ano ba si Ashley?
All right, pack it up. Let's go. Thank you very much. Let's go. So everybody's happy now. They got ice cream.
Oh no.
Watch it.
That is our car.
Mm-hmm.
Ma. Oy, oy, oy!
Hey.
Nalaglag ka dyan, ha?
Running on. Hey. All right. I'm gonna put the camera down so I can eat my
Ice cream.
ice cream or whatever it is. I just grabbed something.
What type of ice cream did you buy?
No.
Pineapple.
Pineapple. Pineapple. Your ice cream's gonna melt. Hey, you're gonna fall. Rain, no. Get up here. Trying to break his neck. Look who's carrying all the ice cream. So, evening is upon us here. This is a very quiet place. Not noisy like Gomez is.
This is a peaceful.
Peaceful, right?
If you
That's-
walk here at night, you will be scared.
Why?
Because it's very dark.
So it's just dark. That's all.
It's dark.
There's nothing to be afraid of.
You will see white lady.
Oh, that's the rumor of the ghosts.
Black lady.
They all believe in that.
I believe in that.
The ghosts, the white lady. Ooh, ooh. Why would it be a white lady and not a Filipino lady? You ever think of that?
No, they called it white lady because it's dressed in black and there is the face.
So she's dressed in black
Like the garage.
with a white face. There you have it. From the little resident experts. Hey, 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 hey. Stop.
He's weird.
I know. I have to get on him. Messing with the dogs. So we're going to take a short break until we get back.
I hate dogs. I love birds.
You ain't got to hate dogs.